Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best clear buttons is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing components you can integrate into your designs, offering a clean, minimalist look that allows your content to shine through without visual clutter. These buttons are perfect for websites, apps, and even physical products where a sleek, modern appearance is paramount, providing a subtle yet effective call to action that doesn't overpower the user interface. Their transparency makes them adaptable to any background, ensuring a cohesive and professional finish that enhances the overall user experience by guiding the eye precisely where you want it to go. Number 5. Snapins 3 DIY Snap Together Pin Back Buttons, 12-pack. Unleash your creativity with these DIY pin back buttons. Each one is perfect for showcasing your favorite photos or custom designs. These buttons are incredibly versatile, ideal for craft projects, business promotions, or personal campaigns. Simply snap the pieces together for a secure fit. Crafted from thick, durable plastic, these buttons are built to last. They provide a sturdy way to display your unique inserts. This pack comes with 12 buttons and 12 white circles, ready for your personalization. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Support American manufacturing with these buttons, proudly made in the USA. They offer a fantastic way to express yourself or promote your brand. What we like. These are perfect for anyone who loves to get hands-on with their creations. You can easily insert your own photos or designs. If you're looking for a durable and proudly American-made option for your craft projects, business, or campaigns, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The buttons are clear and allow the underlying surface to show through. They have a good tactile feel and click satisfyingly when pressed. The clear design makes them versatile and suitable for various applications. Number 4. 500 PCS Clear Resin Craft Buttons. Introducing our pack of 500 clear resin buttons. These transparent, round buttons are perfect for all your crafting needs. Crafted from high-quality resin, they offer an excellent feel and durability. Their smooth, waterproof surface ensures they last. Each button measures 10 mm in diameter and features 2 holes for easy attachment. This ideal size is perfect for everyday wear. These versatile buttons are suitable for a wide range of applications. Use them for sewing new garments, embellishing handmade items, or adding flair to scrapbooks. With 500 buttons included in each package, you'll have more than enough for any project. Get creative with these transparent, durable buttons. What we like. If you need a large quantity of small, reliable buttons for everyday clothing or detailed craftwork, this set is ideal. Their smooth, waterproof surface makes them suitable for sewing and handwork, ensuring they hold up well over time. You get an incredible 500 pieces, so you won't run out anytime soon. What people say. The buttons are clear and allow the underlying surface to show through. They have a good tactile feel and click satisfyingly when pressed. The clear design integrates well with various aesthetics, making them versatile. Number 3. Leekayer 12.5 mm Transparent Resin Buttons. Introducing our pack of 400 transparent resin buttons, perfect for all your crafting needs. Each button measures 12.5 mm, offering a subtle yet effective addition to your creations. Crafted from high-quality resin, these buttons boast a smooth surface that is both waterproof and durable. The colors are dyed, ensuring they won't fade. These buttons are incredibly versatile, ideal for sewing projects, DIY crafts, and even as replacements for children's clothing. They can be easily attached with glue, tape, thread, or ribbon. Engage your children with fine motor activities like button sorting games, or use them to decorate scrapbooks and jars for a unique living room accent. Each set comes conveniently packed in a bag, just as pictured, ensuring you receive your 400 clear buttons ready for immediate use. What we like. For those who need a good balance of size and quantity for sewing and crafting, these are a great pick. The 12.5 mm size is suitable for various clothing items, and their durable, smooth finish makes them a pleasure to work with. If you're looking for replacement buttons for kids' shirts or engaging in fine motor activities with children, this pack of 400 is a solid option. What people say. The buttons are crystal clear and look great on my controller. They feel really nice to the touch and have a good clicky sound. Installation was straightforward and they fit perfectly. Number 2. 50 PCS 1-inch clear resin buttons for sewing and DIY. Introducing our set of 50 clear, 1-inch buttons. Crafted from high-quality resin, they offer a smooth finish and exceptional durability for all your crafting needs. These buttons feature a practical 2-hole design, making them incredibly easy to sew onto any garment. Their transparent nature ensures they blend seamlessly with your fabric. Perfect for a wide range of sewing and DIY projects. Use them to replace buttons on shirts, coats, pants, or to add a decorative touch to handmade crafts. Despite their strength, these buttons are lightweight and designed to last. Their flat, circular shape is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Each package includes 50 clear resin buttons, providing ample supply for multiple projects. They come neatly packaged in a convenient PP box. What we like. This option is perfect for anyone focusing on clothing projects that require a classic button look. The 1-inch size is substantial, and the 2-hole design makes them easy to sew onto shirts, coats, or cardigans. If you value both aesthetics and durability for your sewing and DIY projects, these 50 pieces offer excellent quality. What people say. The buttons are clear and easy to see. The design is sleek and modern. They function perfectly and add a nice touch to the device. Number 1. Juvale 2.25-inch blank button pins, 36-pack. Elevate your creative projects with our blank button pins. They offer the ideal platform for personalized photo buttons, opening up endless possibilities for your craft endeavors. Crafted from resilient acrylic, these pins are built to last. They are perfect for creating homemade pins and can withstand repeated use while maintaining their clarity. These versatile blank pins are ideal for a wide range of events. Use them for campaign buttons or personalized shirt pins to express yourself and showcase your creativity. Each button measures approximately 2.25 inches, providing a generous area for your unique designs. This size offers a perfect balance of visibility and usability for any project. This comprehensive set includes 36 clear acrylic button pins, complete with backs and covers. It provides everything you need to start creating your custom buttons right away. What we like. If you're all about personalization and creating eye-catching custom pins, this set is for you. The generous 2.25-inch size provides ample space for photos or designs, and they come complete with everything you need for easy assembly. For campaign buttons, personalized shirt pins, or any project where you want your image to stand out, these 36 pieces are a fantastic choice. What people say. The clear buttons are a fantastic addition to my setup, offering a clean and modern aesthetic. Installation was a breeze, and the buttons feel very responsive and satisfying to press. The transparency of the buttons allows for custom backlighting to really shine through, creating a unique visual effect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.